So today we are going to start with the concept of dictionary. Now, as I was saying, that dictionary does not have any relation with the previous data types that were discussed. Okay. Now, first of all, let me define a dictionary properly, and then we will see what is the structure by which a dictionary can be created. What is dictionary? It is a data type which stores data in the form of a key value pair. Okay, there is no issue or there is no need to worry if you are initially not understanding. Let me give the first example, you will be very clear regarding that. Acha, let me just relate this word dictionary with the real world example. Generally you have an English dictionary. Okay, what is there in the English dictionary? One word is there and supposedly its meaning is there. Okay, so my main intention is dictionary in Python also deals with something like that. Something like that means it will not store word and its meaning. It will hold data in the form of a key value pair. And what is a key value pair? You will understand in a while. Let me give you the general syntax of creating a dictionary. We can have a dictionary name. Acha, first thing, a dictionary is related or it can be represented by a pair of curly brackets that is known to you. Okay, that is the one more thing that we can be mentioning regarding a dictionary. Now let us directly go for the syntax of the same. Syntax is very simple of creation of dictionary. We will have the dictionary name, okay, any name we can have, equal to, we will have a pair of curly braces, and now this the key value pair will be there. Here key will be there, colon, value will be there, comma, here one more key can be there, here one more value can be there, comma, here one more key can be there, here one more value can be there. Okay, and this can continue for as many number of keys and as many number of value that we want. Now what is the meaning of this? There will be one key and that key will have a specific value. Now, let us take one example. Suppose I take one here and I write January. That means it is very understandable with the number 1, I am relating or storing the month of January. Suppose I want, similarly for number 2, I can have the name for February. Similarly, it is not always necessary we will have 1, 2 or something. We can have any random number. Similarly, for 1, we can have Monday. 2 we can have Tuesday, 3 we can have Wednesday. Now a more handy way to store the data can be roll number of students. Roll number 1, I don't know, I think it is Aman. Roll number 2, for example, it is Athira. Roll number 3 is Dhairya. So this way dictionary is useful in storing lot of values that have linkage between them. Okay, linkage between them, and make sure that between every key and every value there is a colon in between. Okay, no equal to and nothing will be there here, sorry, that is my bad. Make sure between every key and every value a colon has to be there. Okay, no worries, I will just create a dictionary directly. Acha, let me create one dictionary simply. Suppose my dictionary name is d equal to, and first of all I want to store some information regarding days of the week. So let 1 be the number, and I want to relate 1 to say Monday. Okay, I want to relate this 1 with Monday, no problem. Then we can have comma, one more key we can give. Suppose I want to relate this key with Tuesday, correct? Suppose one more number is there, 3. See, it is not necessary that you want you should go in sequence or something like that. Okay, you can go in any sequence. Okay, it is not again compulsory to use 1, 2 or 3. आप यहाँ पे दूसरे numbers भी use कर सकते हो. You can use something else also. Okay, but this is one proper example by which you can have some idea regarding how dictionary and how its contents can be created. Okay, I am not going to write all the days of the week. So this is a basic example by which a dictionary can be created. Now few points to understand. No compulsority that here here means key. What are the keys here? 1, 2, 3, 4. What are the keys here? 1, 2, 3, 4. What are the values here? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Correct. Now please listen my points carefully. Point number 1, there is no necessity कि आपको यहाँ पे number ही use करना है. There is no necessity कि you require to use number here only. आप key में character use करना है तो character भी use कर सकते हो. We will see in one more example just in a few moments. Vice versa, there is no necessity to use you can say characters in values. If you want, you can store numbers in values also. Okay, so dictionary is totally flexible. ये कोई rules बना के नहीं चल रहा है कि यहाँ पे keys में आपको numbers ही लेने हैं, values में आपको characters ही लेने हैं. There is nothing or no you can say requirement just like that. As per your flexibility, you can use keys and values of any type anywhere. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. Okay, you will be more clear. First of all, what I will do, I will just print the dictionary. Okay, I will just print the dictionary and make sure this theory is written, as I will complete this theory in a while. This will be useful. Let us just print. Acha, I think it will give an error. Okay, as you can see, normally a dictionary is printed. There is no issue with that. Okay, now I would like to again show you the proof that it is okay that if we can have different kinds of values and keys in dictionary. Suppose this time I do the reverse thing. This time I do the reverse thing. Suppose yeah, let us use some of your names. Suppose Farhan I am using, and Farhan now will become the key. और फरहान के साथ मैं एक वैल्यू रखना चाहता हूँ. सपोज एनी रैंडम वैल्यू. सपोज इट इज 121. ओके, suppose I want to use name of Krunal. Okay, and I want to associate some value with Krunal. Suppose 201. Okay, similarly let me take one more name. Let me take one more name. Suppose I want to take name of Amir, and Amir can relate to some random values, whatever is the case. So my point of discussing this was, it is not compulsory that every time key will have a number and value will have characters. You can do anything. Key can have characters also, values can have numbers also. Both of them can have numbers, both of them can have characters. There is no issue with that. Dictionary is that much flexible. Dictionary is that much flexible. As you can see, things are working quite well. Okay, so first thing, this all details were regarding creation of a dictionary. We can have, see, it is always compulsory to have a key value pair. This the thing that I have selected is actually called a key value pair. Okay, key value pair. There has to be a key, and definitely along with that key there has to be a value. That is the general structure of a dictionary. And as I told you, key and value can be of any type. It can be of integer both, it can be of character both. It can be one of them can be integer, another can be character. One of them can be character, another can be integer. There is no issue whatsoever with that. Okay, so this part I think it will make very clear regarding what is a dictionary and how actually we only create a dictionary. How we create a dictionary. Okay. Now coming to the second point, what was the common thing among these three data types? That all of the data types could be accessed by method of indexing. I hope you remember हमने string किया था, हमने list खत्म कर दिया है, हमने tuple खत्म कर दिया है. And what was the common thing among them? All these three data types can be easily accessed with the help of method of indexing that we almost are an expert at. But dictionary has no method of indexing. That is the next point in the short note of, or what you can say in the description of dictionary, no method of indexing. Okay, so here we will have no ways to print each element of dictionary one by one. I will give you proof also. Suppose this is working. Suppose this is working. Now if we are in an assumption, okay sir, this entire is 0th index, this entire is first index, this entire is second index, this entire is third index, and I want to print the 0th index. And if I, you can say, try say d of 0, it will definitely and suggestively give an error. Okay, so I think one thing should be very clear, that there is no method of indexing in dictionary. तो फिर हम पते की बात करेंगे सर, हम वैल्यूज या कुछ प्रिंट कैसे करेंगे. सो आई एम राइटिंग द पॉइंट फॉर दैट ऑल्सो. एवरीथिंग कैन बी accessed using keys. I want to access anything in dictionary, all the access can be possible only with the help of keys. I will give you one example. Suppose I want to print Tuesday. Okay, what I will do, d of 2. Now please be very sure, here 2 is not the index, 2 is the name of the key. So whatever key I am printing, it will print its value. I will give the proof to you. Whatever key I am printing, whatever key I am using, what is the key here? Key is 2. What is the value that is mapped with 2? Value that is mapped with 2 is Tuesday, and as you can see in the output, we are getting Tuesday. So please be sure about 2 points. Unlike this, where we were accessing values, accessing elements very easily with the help of method of indexing, dictionary does not have any support of indexing. It will only make sure that values can be accessed with the help of keys. Now, I hope it is very clear to all of you that if I write d of 4, which value will be printed? It is very easy that to understand that Thursday will be printed. Very easy to understand that Thursday will be printed. Acha, can you suppose something like this? What will happen if I do this? Anything? Key called 5 is not present only. Key called 5 is not present only in the dictionary. So if I execute, obviously it will find try to find the key related with 5, and because key related with 5 is not there, it will give us an error. Okay, so mark my words once again very carefully. We cannot access all elements of dictionary by method of indexing. Okay, we cannot access all elements of dictionary by method of indexing. The only way that is possible is we can, or we will be able to make use of key only. If I print the key, that value or its corresponding value will be printed. Okay, one more example before I go for checking how dictionary is mutable. Let us take this separate example where we were using sequence differently. Suppose my key now is ABC, and value related with ABC is 1 2 3. My key now is XYZ, and the value related with XYZ is 4 5 6. Okay, and as I said, I will be able to access contents of dictionary only by keys. Okay, so suppose I write 1 2 3. Okay, it is very clear to you that 1 2 3 is not a key, it is a value. Okay, so if you try to access elements of dictionary by a value, so let me remove this. If you try to access contents of dictionary by a value, it will not get it. Okay, it is C, key error. So that means it is expecting a key, and we actually gave a value. Okay, so why I did this, that you should not program yourself के sir dictionary के elements को access करना है तो हर बार हम number ही use करेंगे. No, to access elements of dictionary we need to make use of the key. So here, because my keys are characters, I will have to use that character only, or as you can see and as you will see, that I will get the value that is linked with ABC. I will get the value that is linked with ABC, that is 1 2 3. Okay, fine. So this was all about how do we create a dictionary, how do we enter or specify elements inside a dictionary. Okay, and how do we access elements, Janvi, one moment, and how do we access elements of a dictionary and make sure there is no method of indexing in dictionary, all the access can be with the help of keys only. Okay, now okay, no problem, I will just copy your content. Janvi has given me something in chat, so I will just copy her content and I am directly pasting her content here. See, no problem. Here we have an amalgamation of different keys and different values. Okay, now what is the meaning of different? Here one of the keys is number, sorry, here one of the key is character, another key is a number. अब आप मुझे पहले बताओ कि will it have any issue, yes or no? Will it have any issue? Okay, as I told you in the beginning, dictionary is very flexible, and to be very precise, it is one of the most widely used data types in the real world programming, because it has so much of flexibility. So dictionary को कुछ खास फर्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा कि आप उसके एक की को कैरेक्टर दे रहे हो, दूसरे की को नंबर दे रहे हो. I think instead of specifying this, we can write this only. Okay, because 1 2 3 is actually a number. We will verify that. Suppose I want to print d3 of first, I want to print the first value, so I have printed like this. It will be very well printing. Okay, I will just verify with that. You can see it is very well printing the value of abc, that is 1 2 3. इसको change कर देते भाई. Okay, as you can see, it is very well printing the value of abc, that is 7 5 whatever it is. And what is the second key? Second key is itself 1 2 3. So dictionary will not have any issue that is, if it's one of the keys is an character, another key is a number, usko kuch farak nahi padta. And that is the best thing about dictionary. Okay, and that is why more and more of you can say real world applications makes use of dictionary. One of the simplest example can be, suppose you are giving an exam and all your marks are stored alongside with your name, तो उसको पाइथन में कैसे स्टोर करेंगे? सपोज आई हैव आयुषी, तो आयुषी's name can become her key and her marks will be the value. Suppose I have Janvi, so here Janvi can be the key and value can store the marks. That is the good thing about dictionary. It will store always or data always in a group, that is key and its specific values, and that is the reason it is widely used in programming world and in professional code development. Okay, so that is the thing. And the last thing that I want to discuss for dictionary, that how dictionary is mutable, that I want to first of all write one line here, that dictionary is mutable and only values can be changed. We will not be able to change keys. Okay, lot of typos, but let me correct it. So dictionary is mutable, no problem in that. But the small consent is, we will only be able to change the values. We won't be able to change the keys, and that is safe also. One practical example, suppose I am creating a dictionary of students. It has its positives and negatives also. Suppose I am creating a dictionary of students with roll numbers 1 to 5. तो जाहिर सी बात है भाई, रोल नंबर 1 to 5 लिखने में गलती तो नहीं होगी. जो मिस्टेक्स यहाँ वहाँ हो सकती है, that will be I think based on the names only. So dictionary has this kind of what you can say odd security feature, where it is mutable and we will be able to only change the you can say values, not the keys. अब आपके दिमाग में आएगा कि सर अगर हमने गलत रोल नंबर डाल दिया है तो क्या करेंगे? सिंपल बात है, वी हैव वन मोर मेथड ऑफ डिक्शनरी लेटर ऑन, दैट वेयर विल बी एबल टू डिलीट अ सिंगल एलिमेंट ऑफ द डिक्शनरी. एंड इफ सपोज रोल नंबर ही हमने गलत डाला है, तो ओनली ऑप्शन लेफ्ट विद अस इज डिलीटिंग दैट रोल नंबर totally. That we will see later on. Okay, last topic, how dictionary is mutable. Okay, so suppose I want to change 2 to Saturday. Suppose I want to change 2 to Saturday. So first I am printing the original dictionary. Please ध्यान देना. D of 2. Now you will suppose that, sir, why did you write 2? Because I want to change Tuesday to Saturday, and Tuesday is linked with which key? It is linked with key 2. So D of 2 means whatever value at 2 will be there, which was initially Tuesday, is changed now to Saturday. As simple as that. Now if I print D, you will see that initially whatever was linked with the key 2, that is Tuesday, is now very easily changed to Saturday. And how did we do this? Syntax for you can say changing elements of the dictionary is dictionary name of key, okay, along with its new value. This is the only method by which we can change contents of a dictionary. Remember, here we do not have any method of indexing. So this is the only method by which contents of a dictionary can be changed. Dictionary name of key equal to value. Similarly, we can have more tricks like that up our sleeve. Suppose I want to change dictionary key element of 4, which is currently Thursday, to Sunday, and I will be easily able to do the same. As you can see, wherever Thursday is there at 4th index is now changed to Sunday. Okay, fine. Okay, so I think I do not want to. Nah, if we cannot change the key value. Okay, Dhairya is asking the same thing that I spoke few moments ago. We cannot change the key value. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि I don't want 3, please listen to me. If you feel that I don't want 3, I want 3 to be 7. Dictionary does not have the method to change the key. What you can do, if you actually want that, later on I will teach you a method where you will be able to delete this entire record, and once you delete this entire record, you can enter new values into a dictionary. Or जो suppose आपको 3 Wednesday के जगह 7 Wednesday चाहिए, so you can first of all delete this record and then you can insert a new record of 7 Wednesday. Those things we will cover up in the coming classes. Okay, so students, this was only the introduction of dictionary. Please make sure you can use screenshot this thing, because this holds up a lot of information regarding dictionary, and you can write this up later on in your notebook. I discussed today how we create a dictionary. I discussed today how different kind of dictionaries of string character can be created. I discussed today how we access elements of a dictionary. How do we access elements of a dictionary? Only by typing dictionary name and key, its appropriate value will be printed. And I finally discussed today how we make dictionary mutable, but only small constraint is we will be able to only change the values and not the keys, and that too can be done with the key name equal to the new value. Okay students, so we will wrap up today. Please, this Sunday I will be giving you some mixed questions based on